been pretty hot already this morning. I don't know how much more work we're going to get done with all the heat, but there's a little bit of water in the creek, so we should be able to cool off a bit. And we have an ice chest full of drinks, which will help. Ow, ow, ow. Stinging bugs.
Did you find it, Wayne?
No, I thought we were supposed to be looking for it.
No, this is another one I lost.
Forget about the stinking quarter.
What, are you getting greedy now? You want gold?
Oh, that's what she said.
We have filled in the dog bones on the western approach with rocks and gravel, a little bit of water. It's hot, hard work, and I needed a break. Bucket after bucket of gravel to fill the dog bone lattice matrix there. Right now, Tom and Ben are moving the big boulders that will be laid up against the dog bones to slow down the water as it comes down the creek. Probably not needed, but every now and then we get a flood comes through, and those boulders will ensure that nothing moves. Slows everything down. This bridge has been well engineered, over-engineered for the amount of water and foot traffic. Although we get 20,000, 30,000 kids crossing the bridge every year for the Rincon Nature Trail. The San Gabriel Mountain Trail Builders started the project, and later today some additional volunteers came in, Boy Scouts I think. So hopefully it will be done this year. The approach is all really that's left. That approach over there is coming along really well. Well, they weren't Boy Scouts who helped us. They were actually Los Angeles Conservation Corps. I posted a URL to the write-up in the video description. I automatically assume everybody's Boy Scouts, but only rarely is it Boy Scouts. LACC. Good night, kitty. Good night, two-eyed kitty.